Hey everyone, welcome to today's Biteable tutorial on Snapchat ads. My name is Haley and today I'll be teaching you a little bit about Snapchat and a lot about making Snapchat ads using the Biteable Video Maker. So Snapchat isn't in the first flush of youth anymore, but it's still a huge player. At the end of 2020, Snapchat reported 265 million people used their app every day, and over 2 million snaps are sent each minute. Long story short, engagement numbers on Snapchat are juicy. Before we get into the ads themselves and learn how to edit one, let's talk about where Snapchat fits in your marketing strategy. Snapchat is best used as a complement to other social channels. Your Snapchat profile and content is only visible in-app. You can't share it as a URL like you could with Facebook or Instagram. That exclusivity is a double-edged sword, but you can make the most of it by using Snapchat as a playground for experimental and exclusive content. Content on Snapchat should be light and breezy, so if you have to take a more serious tone on your other channels, this is your chance to play. You can then repurpose content onto other channels if it performs well on Snapchat. Before we edit a Snapchat ad together, let's get into some tips for Snapchat video marketing. My first tip, keep it short. This is an obvious one, right? The best Snapchat content is short, sharp, and to the point. You only have 60 seconds, but even that might be pushing it. Aim for 15 to 30 seconds max and keep it punchy. My second tip, clearly define your goals. Before you even start thinking about how your ad will look, you should know exactly what you want it to do. What action do you want people to take? Click, shop, follow, watch? Sort it out before you start playing around with fonts and animations. My third tip is don't be boring. This one might be obvious as well, but it's worth repeating. Content on Snapchat is designed to be different to what other channels are serving. It's fun, quick, and creative, or rather, it should be. If you don't let your freak flag fly just a little bit on Snapchat, you'll quickly stand out as a dud. Alright, enough talking, time to edit. Alright, so I'm starting on our Biteable templates page with this restaurant ad template. Today I'm going to customize this template to suit a new pizza restaurant I'm promoting on Snapchat. So once I click edit this video, this will launch the Biteable video editor, and from here I can customize this entire template to promote my product. As we can see right off the bat here, this template is a little bit long. It's nearly 30 seconds, and for Snapchat I want something around 10 seconds, so I'm going to go ahead and remove a few of the scenes that I don't want to include. Great, so now I'm left with these 3 scenes. I can go ahead and change my video settings to be 9:16 aspect ratio. This is the aspect ratio for Snapchat. So from there, I'll need to tweak my text a little bit just to make it fit a bit better in this new video format. Now I'm going to change the text to really promote the new wood-fired pizzas that Pizza Shack, my new restaurant, will be featuring. And I'm just going to hop over to this next scene here and finish editing this text. I'm also going to add a ribbon color to the background just to make it a bit easier to read this text, and I'm going to make this ribbon just slightly transparent. Now I'm going to hop back into our first scene and replace the background. Right now it's advertising Mexican food and I want some pizza videos, so I'm going to select my favorite pizza videos. If you had your own footage, you could also upload that, but I'm just going to use stock footage. So I'm just going to do a little bit more readjusting of my text here to make sure it's really easy for our viewer to see. And I'm going to add one more pizza video in our Snapchat ad. Great, now I can jump over to my final scene. This is where I'm going to add my call to action, so I'm going to let people know where they can order my new pizza. And we can adjust this text so it fits a bit better on the screen, and I'm going to make it a bit smaller. Perfect. From here, we'll be able to add a background track to our Snapchat ad. This template actually already has a background track, so I'm just going to show you a few of the different options here. And we can view our ad from the start now. And there you have it, our Snapchat ad is ready to go. From here I can click download and start building my video. Once that build process has completed, I'll be able to download the video directly to my device or share it to social. Snapchat ads are easy peasy when you've got the right tools. Sign up to Biteable and explore our library of templates to get started on Snapchat. And if you liked this tutorial, hit the subscribe button and join us next time. Bye!